Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Andy's Toolbox. In this episode, we have another massive tool haul. Okay, this is serious money here, guys. Lots of money laying out in front of me right here. And I'll tell you right now, a few items are from Home Depot, a few items are from Caterpillar, and the rest the rest of the stuff, the bulk of this stuff right here in front of me is Cornwell. Okay, now I just recently hooked up with the rep in my area, and he's more than happy to hook me up with some tools. Now, some of Cornwell's stuff is not made in the USA. It's made in Taiwan, and some of the stuff here is Taiwanese, and I will go over the stuff that is uh, overseas, and I'll point out the stuff that is USA made as we go through this stuff. The compromise, well, uh, none of the stuff that I got that is overseas is really expensive. So uh, most of the stuff actually is just handled tools with handles on them. And all right, well, let's start going through some of this stuff. We'll go over here to this Home Depot stuff first. I got a decent pair of Klein wire strippers. I have several pairs of wire strippers, but I liked the build quality of these, and the sleekness. Probably get into some tighter places because they're a little bit smaller, and that's number one. Okay, next I got these Tecton, if you can see, Tecton bent needle nose. Now, I didn't get a snap-on set because I actually don't like on snap-ons the broaching on the teeth. They only go to about where my finger is, maybe a little higher. These ones go all the way back, and all the way back there. You can see that. There we go. And that comes in handy for when you got like little plugs and wiring harnesses to rip off. Kind of get them like that, and just get them by the nose, and got your nose. So that's what those are kind of good for, and probably a bunch of other crap. So next we're going to go over the Caterpillar stuff. This is just a few items. I got this 214-7342 USA made, number 3 Phillips. You guys know what Caterpillar screwdrivers look like. They're just like snap-ons, and I guess I can open this up and just show you number 3 screwdriver to finish out my set of Caterpillar screwdrivers. Next we got these Caterpillar slip joint pliers. Okay, those are to finish out the set of pliers that we've been over in my previous tool haul video of Caterpillar pliers. And the last of the Caterpillar stuff is this Cat 194-3578 metric deep socket set. Those are nice looking, aren't they? They look just like Snap-on, except they say Caterpillar on the bottom instead of Snap-on. But other than that, I mean, they're identical. And that's pretty cool. On to the bulk of this haul, which is going to be a whole lot of money on Cornwell stuff. Now, I felt that since I just met this guy, that I should show a little bit of good faith and buy a whole bunch of tools. So, not that I have money to spare or anything. I mean, my finances are tight as any person's that, you know, pretty much I live on a budget at this point, so I'm trying to work out of that. But you know, I thought I would grease the wheels, as they say, a little bit. So here's the grease. Okay, I actually would like to go over here first and show you the pry bar set, Cornwell pry bar set. And those are USA made, I believe. There is no indication that these are made in Taiwan, like on the other tools that I'm going to show you. So I assume that they're made in the USA. And if you watch the Cornwell promotional video for those pry bars, it does show them being made here in the USA. So those are, I believe, made in the USA. And I got those on promo. I believe I only paid like $125 for those. Excellent. Can't beat that. And okay, moving on here. I bought these spoon hose picks. They're like Snap-ons, and those are made in Taiwan. Okay. And moving on here, I got these spoon type seal picks, and those are made in Taiwan. And I got these, I believe, were on promo as well. Can't remember how much I paid for them, but I didn't pay too much. And these are a utility tool set, has scrapers and some picks, made in Taiwan. Moving along here, I got some regular pointy hose picks. I do have a Snap-on version of this. I believe it's this top one here, and I think you guys have seen that in another haul that I got from Caterpillar. And I got this short one as well, which I can use as like a cotter tool or whatever else. Did I say that was made in Taiwan? That was made in Taiwan too. Okay, so I got this gearless screwdriver, ratcheting screwdriver, gearless. And I already put some tape over the brand here so it can stay fresh on there. So I do that whenever I don't want to wear the paint off of the handles, so it stays on there if there's any warranty issues or anything like that. So okay, I got this, and that is also made in Taiwan. And I got these Cornwell crimpers, and those are made in the USA, and I do believe that Cornwell just rebrands channel lock stuff, so I do believe that these are just a rebranded set of channel locks with neon orange handles, which I like. I like the orange way more than the blue. So that's cool. I do already have a pair of these, but if you can see that the tooth, the design of the crimper teeth is a little bit uh, different. You see they're kind of pointy on the top instead of just being a kind of a concave. It's got sort of a crimper point right there on top, so it does a little bit more fancy of a crimp. That's pretty cool. And I got a scratch all. I'd like to say that this one's made in the USA because the price on it was a little bit higher than normal, but I don't know if that one is. It may or may not be. And then I got a Cornwell 3/8 ratchet, and that is definitely made in the USA. I got this Ullman magnetic inspection mirror, and what I'm going to use this for is to put on the backside of my dial torque wrench or beam torque wrench, so I can see the numbers when it's upside down. Kind of help me out in some hard to see areas. I did get this Cornwell 3 magnet tray dish, and that is awesome. And lastly, I got a set of long and short miniature picks. Okay, 13 minutes, and we're finally done. Thanks for sitting through that one, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this massive tool haul. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I can help you guys out if you're interested in Cornwell, and maybe you would like to know more about how they do business and whatnot. Just drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Like, comment, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and have a good day, guys. Thank you.